This is the tutorial for the Easy Background Music Generator. The Easy Background Music Generator is a plugin that I developed in order to make it easier to set up the background music for your Roblox experience. So right here we have the application icon to open and close it. And when we open it, we can see the fields that we can configure to change what will show up in the Explorer. So if we just open it up and click Generate Audio System, we can see that we generate a new model that is named after the system name and contains a few different items. We have the audio player, then we have the audio device output object, and then the wire, and then a script. The audio player name is handled by the audio player name setting over in the audio system generator. And if you want to change what song you're going to be playing in the background, this would be controlled by the audio asset ID. So right here, I have it set for a low bass horror sound effect, so that way it's very noticeable. And I have it set to a low volume. You can control the pitch here, and then looping and autoplay is controlled here. So autoplay is disabled. If we have it enabled, we can spawn another model that has it set to enabled. You can delete these and just spawn new ones as you would like. So you can make more than one background sound, or you can do further background sound modification by using the wires and other audio objects. So here's what it sounds like after being spawned. And I just cut it out so that way it's not too much. So I hope that helps, and I hope that speeds up your creation process, and good luck.